Welcome to the participants. Karibu sana. Welcome to my class. And read what I posted on the screen. Anyone can unmute and read. I said anyone can unmute and read.
Welcome to the aspirants of AIBE 17-2023 Professional Ethics and Cases of Professional Misconduct under Bar Council of India Rule Multiple Choice Questions. Professional Legal Professional Ethics and Class of Professional Misconduct under Bar Council of India Rule Multiple Choice Questions. Professor Dr. Mohammed Saheb Hussain.
Yes. So let us resume our class. Now the start shooting. The first question goes in this manner. The legal profession is considered as a noble profession by society, and the fundamental prerequisite of any profession is good dash. A. Morals. B. Beliefs. C. Conscience. D. Ethics. Which is the appropriate word?
Ethics.
D is right answer, sir. Ethics.
D is ethics.
D is the right answer. The ethics is the right answer for the second question. The Advocates in India are governed by the Advocates Act of 1961. Further, the Advocates Act provides for the establishment of the State Bar Council and the Bar Council of India, void sections dash of the Advocates Act 1961 respectively. A. 2 and 3. B. 3 and 4. C. 4 and 5. D. 5 and 6.
2 and 3, sir.
WRONG. Second option. Second option.
Sir, C 4 and 5.
WRONG.
3 and 4 is right answer, sir. 3 and 4.
3 and 4. B is the right answer for the second question. I repeat. 3 and 4. B is the right answer for the second question. Third question. Section 49, subsection 1, class C of the Advocate Act 1961 empowers the Bar Council of India to make the rules so as to prescribe the standard of professional conduct and dash to be observed by the advocates. A. Etiquette. B. Decorum. C. Custom. D. Protocol.
Sir, option A etiquette.
Option A is the right answer. Etiquette is the right answer for the third question, option A. Now the fourth question goes in this manner. Advocates, in addition to the being professionals, are also officers of the court and play a vital role in the dash. A. Administration of court. B. Administration of justice. C. Supervision of justice. D. Management of justice.
A is the
Sir,
right
option
answer.
B administration of justice.
Option A, sir.
Option A is the wrong answer.
Option B administration
Option
of
B
justice.
is the right answer. Administration of justice is the right answer for the above question fourth. Now fifth question in dash where the advocates of one of the parties was asking for the continuous adjournments to the immense inconvenience of the opposite party, it was held by the Supreme Court that seeking the adjournment for the postponing the examination of witnesses who are present without making other arrangements for examining such witnesses is a dereliction of the duty that an advocate owed to the court amounting to misconduct. In which case law it is observed. A. N.G. Dastane vs. Srikant S. Shind. B. G.N. Dastane vs. Srikant S. Shind. C. G.N. Dastane vs. Shind S. Srikant. D. N.G. Dastane vs. Srikant S. Shind.
Sir,
is right
option
answer,
G,
sir.
GN Dastane versus Shrikant S. Shinde.
Option
B
C is
for
right answer.
Bombay. GN Dastane versus Shrikant S. Shinde.
if the option C, if you say it is the wrong answer. Second
Sir,
option,
option B for Bombay.
yes, B for Bombay, if you say WRONG.
Option D, sir. D for Delhi.
WRONG.
Sir,
A
option
is
A
right
is right
answer, sir.
answer.
A is the right answer. NG Dastani versus Shrikant S. Shinde. That is the right answer. A is the right answer for the fifth question. Now the sixth question goes in this manner. Rules and the professional standards that an advocate needs to maintain are maintained in the Chapter 2, Part 4 of the Bar Council of India rules. These rules have been placed there under the section dash of the Advocates Act 1961. A. 49 subsection 1 class A, B 49 1B, C 49 1C, D section 49 subsection 1 class D. Out of the A, B, C, D, which one is the correct answer for the sixth question?
B is right answer, sir.
B for Bombay,
Bombay.
WRONG. Second option,
Option C, sir.
B for Delhi.
option C is the right answer. Section 49, subsection 1, clause C. That the C is the right answer for the sixth question. Now the seventh question. Rules and an advocate's duty towards the court dash find the wrong answer. A. Act in a dignified manner. B. Respect the court. C. Not communicate in private. D. Refuse to act in an illegal manner towards the defendant.
C is right answer, sir.
Find the wrong answer. So here,
Yes, sir. C. Not communicate
not
in
communicate
private.
in private. WRONG.
D is
Sir,
right answer.
option D.
Refuse to act in an illegal manner towards the dependent.
WRONG.
Option A, sir.
No. Who said it? Option D? Yes. Option
Sir,
D
option
is the
D,
wrong
right
answer.
sir. Find
Option
the
D
wrong
is the wrong
answer.
answer.
Find the wrong. Sir, option D is right, sir.
See, feedback refuse to act in an illegal manner towards the opposition, not defendant. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the D is the correct answer for the seventh question. So now eighth question. Eighth question. Legal Practitioner Act 1879 has not defined the word misconduct. Before the Advocates Act, this was the act. Legal Practitioner Act of 1879. The word unprofessional conduct is used in the act. Even the Advocates Act 1961 has not defined the term misconduct because of the wide scope and application of the term. Hence, to understand the instance of the misconduct, we have to rely on the decided cases. Some of the instances of the professional misconduct are as follows, which is a right option. Here I have given 1. Dereliction of duty. 2. Professional negligence. 3. Misappropriation. 4. Changing sides. And here I have given the option A 1 plus 2, B 1 plus 3 plus 4, C 1 plus 2 plus 4, D 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4.
Sir, option C 1 plus 2 plus 4.
WRONG.
Option D is right answer, sir. Option D.
Option D is the right answer. Means all comes under the professional misconduct. 1. Dereliction of duty. Dereliction means carelessness of duty. 2. Professional negligence. 3. Misappropriation. D. Changing sides. So the right answer for this question is D. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. That is the right answer for this 8th question. Now the 9th question, the Supreme Court has in some of its decisions elucidated on the concept of misconduct and its application. In dash, a complaint was filed by the appellant against an advocate to a bar council of Rajasthan that while appearing in a suit as a counsel, he wrote a letter stating that concerned judge before whom the suit is pending accept the bribes and ask for the 10,000 to bribe and influence the judge to obtain a favorable order. And which is the case law it is decided? A. Shambhu Ram Yadav versus Hanuman Das Khatri. B. Shambhu Ram Yadav versus Hanuman Das Khatri. C. Shambhu Ram Yadav versus Hanum Das Khatri. D. Shambhu Ram Yadav versus Hanum Das Khatri. A, B, C, D. And which case law it is decided? The bribe.
A is right answer, sir.
WRONG.
Yadav. B, sir.
D is right answer, sir.
If you
B,
say
sir.
D, Delhi, WRONG.
Option
Bombay,
B, sir.
B for Bombay.
WRONG, if you say option B.
Option C, sir.
D is right answer,
Option
sir.
C, CAT cat, Shambhuram, SHAMBHU, Shambhuram, RAMYADAY, Ramburam, Yadav versus Hanumdas, 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 Khatri, KHATRY. C is the right answer for the 9th question. Now the 10th question. Anyone can unmute and read the 10th question? Read loudly.
Roles
Rule
on
10.
an advocate duty towards the court. Dash. Find the wrong answer. A. Refuse to respect customers who insist on unfair means. B. Appear in proper dress code. C. Refuse to appear in front of relations. D. Not to wear bands or gowns in public places.
Shoot.
Option A, sir.
B is right answer, sir.
If you say
Appear in
clearly
proper dress
not to
code.
wear the bands on gone public places, it is not, it is one of the conduct, duty towards the court. Is it? Let us see.
Yes, sir.
Refuse to represent clients who insisted on unfair means. Refuse to, let me see what the client who insist. Here the customers I wrote. Here the customers I wrote, but actually it is not the customers.
Client.
What they are?
Clients.
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 Yes. So next question is, now the 10th question is over, is it not? Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Question is over. The 11th question goes in this manner. In the most controversial and leading case of Dash, on 30th May 2007, a TV news channel, NDTV, carried a report relating to the relating the sting operations. Of course, I have given only one option here. What is that case law? Controversial case law in the 2007. NDTV. And it's a leading case.
Nirbhaya, sir.
Options I have not given because it's a leading case.
Nearby 2012.
Nearby is a 2002 case.
Satyam Ramalikaraju Timba. Satyam case, sir.
R.K. Anand versus a Register of Delhi High Court. In the most controversial and leading case of R.K. Anand versus Register of Delhi High Court on 30th May 2007, a TV news channel, NDTV, carried a report relating to a sting operations. Now, that is the 11th question. The 12th question is, anyone can unmute and read the 12th question? Hurry up. I said anyone can unmute and read the 12th question.
Rules on an advocate's duty towards the court. Which one is the correct statement or option? 1. Not appear in matters of pecuniary interest. 2. Not stand as surety for client. 3. Not to represent establishments of which he is a member. 4. An advocate should not stand as a surety.
Option D.
Sir, option B, not stand as surety for
See,
client.
here I have given the options. A, 1 plus 2, B, 1 plus 3, C, 1 plus 2 plus 3, D, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4.
1 plus 2 plus 3, sir. Option
1
C.
plus 2 plus 3 is the right answer. Why?
Fourth is correct answer, sir.
Yes.
First, second, third is wrong answers. It's not
The
correct.
advocate should not supposed to stand as a surety. It is a wrong answer. So, other 1, 2, 3 are right answers. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And 13th question. Duties to colleagues, which is not a right option. A, fellowship. B, fairness. C, duties to colleagues. D, prudence and diligence.
Sir, option D, prudence and diligence.
WRONG.
Option C, sir.
Duties to colleagues here, I think there is something I committed a mistake, if I not be mistaken. See, duties to colleagues, when I say fellowship is there, and fairness is there, prudence is there, and diligence. Yes, this is not there. Duties to colleagues is not there. Because there is some other word is there, but I did not mention in the feedback. I changed something like that, but 3 are the right. And not right option is the duties to colleagues is the not right option.
Is to other advocates.
I think some other thing is there. I don't know what I removed. Duties to other advocates, duties to the other party. Something was there. In the feedback I have not mentioned. Otherwise I would have to say it. But the 3 are right, but duties to colleagues are not there. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Actually, I have to write the feedback also, because so that it will be very much clear to each and everybody, including me. Okay, rules and an advocate's duty towards the client. Which one of the correct option? 1, bound to accept the briefs. 2, not withdraw from service. 4, not appear in the matters where he himself is a witness. 4, not full and frank disclosure to the client. And ABCD. A, 1 plus 2 plus 4. B, 1 plus 3 plus 4. C, 2 plus 3 plus 4. D, 1 plus 2 plus 3.
1
Please
plus
write
option
answer,
D,
sir.
1
1
plus
plus
2
2
plus
plus
3.
Yes?
Option D, sir.
Option D, 1 plus
Option
2
D
plus
is
3.
the right answer. It is 1 plus 2 plus 3 because full and frank disclosure to the client. Here, not full and frank disclosure to the client. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is the right answer. Is it clear?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
15th question. Rules and advocate's duty toward the client. Which one is the correct option? Number 1, not upholding the interest of the client. 2, not suppress materials or evidence. 3, not disclose the communication between the client and himself. 4, an advocate should not be a party to stir up or instigate litigation. Options are goes in this way. A, 1 plus 2 plus 4. B, 2 plus 3 plus 4. C, 1 plus 3 plus 4. D, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4.
A is correct answer, sir. 1 plus 2 plus 4 is right answer.
Option
WRONG.
B, sir. B, 2,
Sir.
3, 4.
B is the right answer. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is the right answer. Because uphold the interest of the client. What I wrote? Not upholding the interest of the
Not
client.
uploading.
So, the right answer is 2 plus 3 plus
2
4
plus
is
3
the right
plus 4.
answer.
Plus 3 plus.
Now, the 16th question. Bar Council of India rules are mentioned under dash of the Bar Council of India rules 1975. A, chapter 4 and part 2. B, chapter 2 and part 4. C, chapter 3 and part 4. D, chapter 4
Part 6,
and
sir.
part 3.
Is part 6,
Chapter
sir. B
2
and C.
and part 6 is right answer, sir. B, Bombay.
B is the right answer. Chapter 2 and part 4 is the right answer for the 16th question. Now the
Sir,
17th question.
submission, sir.
Yes,
Sir, submission.
yes.
Sir, you are reading as chapter 2 and part 4. It's part 6 I have written as part 6 now, sir.
No, it is a 4 only. I saw it.
Sir, in Roman, if 4 means this I will come at the left side, sir.
See, the point is,
She is correct,
yeah,
sir.
part 6, right. The part 6. So,
Yes, sir.
no, there is something, I made a mistake here. It is only the part
Chapter
4
2,
is
part
the
4.
part 4 should have to write it. It's not 6.
Yes, sir.
It is the part 4 I have to write it. Instead of writing this thing, I wrote in that way. Now this is right. Chapter 2
Yes, sir.
and part 4 is right.
And part.
Yeah, this is right now. I appreciate. So,
Thank you,
the other things we can manage, it doesn't matter because those are the wrong answers.
Yes, sir.
So now, 17th question. Some of the instances of the professional misconduct are as follows. A, contempt of court and improper behavior before a magistrate. B, furnishing false information. C, giving improper advice. D, leading the clients in court. And here, which one is some of the instances professional misconduct are as follows. Which one is the right answer? Which one is the wrong answer?
Option D is wrong, sir.
Option D is the wrong because misleading the clients in court. So that is the wrong. I wrote
Answer
the clients in the court.
Answer B.
Yes, answer D is the thing what I want to say. 18th question. Which is not amount to professional misconduct. I repeat, which is not amount to the professional misconduct. And here, A, non-speaking the truth. B, disowning allegiance to the court. C, moving application without informing a similar application has been accepted by another authority. D, suggest bribing the court officials.
Just bribing the court official.
Option D, sir.
WRONG. I asked the question, which is
Yes,
not amount to the professional misconduct.
Not amount to be.
A, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, option A, non-speaking the truth.
WRONG.
Suggest bringing the court official, sir. Bribing him. D.
WRONG. See,
Option B, sir.
moving the application without informing that similar application has been rejected. I wrote accepted
Hmm.
by another authority. So, which one is the right answer?
C
C.
is the right answer.
C
Option
is the right
Option C.
answer.
Option
Because I wrote, actually it is a rejected by another authority, but I wrote has been accepted by another authority. So that would be the right answer for the 18th question. Now the 19th question. Rules on an advocate's duty towards a client. Which one is the correct option among the four? 1. An advocate should not act on the instructions of any person other than his client or the client's authorized agent. 2. Charge depending on success of matters. 3. Not receiving interest in the actionable claim. 4. Not binding a purchasing property arising from your legal proceedings. And the options goes in this manner. A. 1 plus 2 plus 3. B. 2 plus 3 plus 4. C. 1 plus 2 plus 3. D. 1 plus 3 plus 4.
Option D.
1 plus 2
Option
plus
D
4.
is the right answer here, which is 1 plus 3 plus 4. Then what is wrong in the 2? Charge depending on
Charge
success of
depending upon the
matters.
success of.
Not charge depending on the success of matters. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then 28th question. In the case of Dash, the Supreme Court had observed that misconduct in office may be defined as unlawful behavior or neglect by a public officer by which the right of a party have been affected. Here I have given the 4. A. Poonam Sharma versus Union of India and others. B. Jai Veer Singh versus State of Uttar Pradesh through. C. State of Punjab versus Ram Singh ex-constable. D. State of Punjab versus Jagir Singh.
Option C, sir. State
Option
of
C
Punjab
is the
versus
right
Ram
answer.
Singh.
State of Punjab versus Ram Singh ex-constable is the right answer, because in the case of State of Punjab versus Ram Singh ex-constable, the Supreme Court had observed that misconduct in office may be defined as unlawful behavior or neglect by a public officer by which the right of a party have been affected. So these are the things which I made today, but I also made many other things because there is a short of time I could not make it out. For instance, you take here in this attempt to murder. If you happen to see the attempt to murder, could you see it? Could you read it?
Yes, sir.
Is it visible?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So in the here he say in the case of Hikmat Ali Khan versus Ishwar Prasad Arya and others, Ishwar Prasad Arya, respondent number 1, was registered as an advocate with the Bar Council of Uttar Pradesh and was practicing in Badaun area, BADA in Badaun. Yeah, an incident took place on May 18, 1961 during lunch interval about 1:55 p.m. in which respondent 1 assaulted his opponent Radheshyam in the courtroom of municipal magistrate. So I can ask the question, in the case of Dash, then I did not read the whole. There, Ishwar Prasad Arya, because here there is no name is given in the party. No, Ishwar Prasad Arya is there. There I say, the opposite party was registered as a so-and-so and he was assaulted in the courtroom at 1:30 p.m. In which case right he is. Then the answer should be Hikmat Ali
Ishwar
Khan
Prasad
versus
Arya and
Ishwar Prasad Arya case law. Here, if I found there are many cases are there. I said, we will die Kufa. Kufa means we will die. So try to pick out those are the very interesting cases. Then only we can make it out. And what is the case law where 1 rupee is in the form of damages are paid?
Prashant Bhushan.
Give the full name of the case law. Yes? Is it Union of India? Or is it Bar Council of India?
पेट्रोल का केबल टूट गया क्या बोलते सो
क्या
पेट्रोल का
बोलते सो बोलो बोलो घर में बोले बातें सब सुने आ रहे हैं mute and speak. I could hear the otherwise.
Prashant Bhushan versus Union of India. And another.
Yes. So they may be okay now. Who argued that case? It is not the person not argued. No, somebody, a senior man argued the case.
Ramjet Malani?
No. Not Ramjet Malani. Another very senior man is there.
Kapil Sibal, sir. Kapil Sibal.
No, Kapil Sibal also no. No. I will tell you now why we should have to.
Dhawan, sir.
Why should I
Rajiv Dhawan.
ponder? I will tell you that who argued the case.
Rajiv Dhawan, sir.
Yes.
He was consul for.
Yes. That's why I told you, no other name because I could remember the name, but now you have told me, no, and it is he who argued the case. Now in a Bobde case law, who are the parties? Chief Justice
Which case law,
Bobde.
sir?
Again the Prashant Bhushan? Yes, it is that case law only. What is the motorcycle name? Can anybody will tell? Even I because in my old question paper, in the question that paper, no, I mentioned that even a motorcycle name also. Even I have forgotten the name of the motorcycle. Because he was standing there, actually it is either it is a standing position or he is riding, we don't know exactly. It is in, where it is it Bhopal?
Davidson.
Yes?
Harley Davidson.
Yes, Harley Davidson motorbike, that is. Where the place? It is a Bhopal? Place. Place also important factor.
I got it, sir.
No, the place, it is Bhopal, I believe, that is. Hardly, because I dealt that case law there. I asked that place also. Hardly Davidson Bob Day case law. Yeah, Chief Justice Bob Day, that is the Harley Davidson Code of Conduct. Yeah, here it is given, where it is there. What is that? Did you mean the legislative action is continue? What is this? Yeah, Chief Justice of Bob Day, Harley Davidson and Code of Conduct. Very recently, social media was flooded with the picture of the Chief Justice India, Sharath Arvind Bobde, sitting on a Harley Davidson superbike, prompting several reactions among the general public. Before elevation of such a Chief Justice Bobde was an ardent biker when he was a lawyer in Nagpur. And he was photographed checking at the guest motorbike, a ceremony at the Rajbhavan, Maharashtra, in the images shared by the several lawyers. Yeah, I think it's a Nagpur. Am I right? And the Chief Justice of India, Sharad Arvind Babde, is fascinated with the motorcycle. On several occasions, he has expressed his fondness of the bikes. On 28 June 2020, he familiarized people with his new avatar when he was pictured while checking out a Harley Davidson. The reaction of the general public and the legal fraternity were mixed, and by large, a few surprised to see the Chief Justice on this new avatar and took it on the lighter note that at the same time, the few netizens criticized the photograph, labeling it as a public stunt, unsuitable and unbecoming a conduct of the Chief Justice of India. So it is in Nagpur. So David Harley also, I don't think they do ask the motorbike name, but it is also amount to the professional misconduct. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now because when you see the Harley, this is over. Yeah. So here I could frame the questions, but there are many things that are given. So instance of misconduct, did you see it? Misconduct, what are the things come under the misconduct? Some of the instances, professional misconduct are as follows. Number 1, dereliction of duty. Number 2, professional negligence. 3, misappropriation. C, changing sides. 5, contempt of court and improper behavior before a magistrate. And 6, furnishing false information. 7, giving improper advice. 8, misleading the client. See, I framed the question from here as leading the client in a court, but actually it is misleading the client in a court. And 9, non-speaking the truth. 10, disowning the allegiance to the court. 11, moving application without informing that a similar application has been rejected by another authority. 12, suggesting to bribe the court of officials. And 13, I did not cover it because only one is left over there, that is forcing the prosecution witness not to tell the truth. Even the forcing the prosecution witness not to tell the truth also comes under the misconduct of an advocate. So here I also give the duties to client. What are the duties to the client? 1, protection of the interest of the client. 2, proper examination of the value, legal advices and services to the client. So these are the 2 duties to the client. But when you say the duties to the court, here given honesty and respect, preparation of the case, duties to the public and the service, and loyalty to the law and justice. So this way we can frame the questions, and there are innumerable questions we can frame it only one paragraph also, because they can ask from you any nook and corner, but the technique is how to frame the questions. What are the relevant, very close answers that you have to take it out, and that there it needs the lot of time consuming would be there. And I sent the message to you. Tomorrow is 26th January 2023. It is the 74th Republic Day of India. And I told you that in the evening I'm going to host the international webinar. I will post you also the invitation. But the last time, not a single person is present over there. See, don't miss such chances. At the no cost, you are getting a lot of information. And that information is very much important factor. So merely attending for 50 minutes, I believe 1 or 2 attended it seems, but no one has attended because I saw it. If you attend such a conferences and you'll be able to speak in a prompt way, number 1. Number 2, what are the things are dealt over there, at least you can grab it in the short of span, and where you cannot spend that much amount, that much time to learn the things. So whenever any such programs are there, try to attend unless until you are too much busy. How could you are too much busy? because the schedule is a schedule of the All India Bar Examination. And without conducting the All India Bar Examination, I conducted it. That means there is a loophole, there is a time gap is given to you to attend it. What is there to attend it? We attend the thing which we need it. I am not the loser. You are the losers. The reason is either you attend or may not attend. My function, I did it well. And I recorded. Then I sent to the, I don't know whether I sent to you or not. But it will be a fetching point to me. But you are the loser, but not attending it. So I don't
Sir,
want to see that.
what
Yes.
is the meeting?
Yes, sir, it is true, sir. Yesterday's meeting is marvelous, sir. I can't expected that, not imagine also that two intelligent, higher level people are speaking in that meeting. I especially am very much attracted with Ashma madam's speech, sir.
See, a small girl, how she is very fluently with the action, with the demeanor, a body movement, and she is selected as a good ambassador for the international, and she was called there from the Egypt, and she has seen at least 3 or 4 countries. And yes, Lakshmi was present on the day, but I did not know that you are my student. But when you told me on the seminar that, sir, I am the student of you, I did not know that. Did you study there in the, where you studied, Akhila Bharati College of Law?
No, sir, I am studied in Karimnagar Justice Kumaraya Law College
Okay,
in
I came
second
there as a guest lecturer.
Watford classes, sir.
Yes, I came and a guest lecture there when the Anil Singh was the principal.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah. You are right.
During
So,
the Corona period, Watford classes are conducted by you, sir.
yes. And I told you, no, I will die if I don't teach it at least one day at 1 hour. That's my point. So tomorrow I cannot make it out 2 at a time because I need a lot of time. Better we do it the administrative law tomorrow, but I will specify the time when the time is good. Only one person has given the response to me that, sir, you can choose the time what you want. But I believe that you go for the, is it flag hoisting ceremony or flag unfurl ceremony? We are going to attend tomorrow.
Unfurl ceremony.
Is unfurl ceremony.
It is the unfurl ceremony. It is not the hoisting ceremony. Hoisting is only there in the August 15th, and there we can, from down to up you take the flag. But now the flag is up, you just unfurl it or open it. That is the call, unfurl, UNFURL. Unfurl ceremony is there tomorrow. And where it will be conducted in the Delhi, this unfurl ceremony?
Red Fort.
Rajpath.
Now the Rajpath, the name is changed to the, I think Agnipath, something they made it. Not Rajpath now. Vishishta. No.
It is on Rajpath only, sir.
Yes, where the
It is on Red Fort. It's 26 January, Rajpath.
Kartavya Path.
Kartavya Path, that is the part. Kartavya Path is there on 26th January, and Red Fort is there on the 15th August. Yeah. Now the name of Rajpath is changed to the Kartavya Path because of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Anyway, that is the thing. And tomorrow I can deal the administrative law questions. Only one questions I will make it out. The another is company law, and we will see whether Sunday you can conduct it or not, because even preparing on the 30 questions I need at least 3 to 4 hours or minimum 3 hours, because mine is not copy and paste. Mine is not copy and paste, but I read it and I will see whether I should have asked the question or not, whether it is an easy question, whether it is a confusion question. So I will frame in the confusion manner, and sometimes if I don't give the option, definitely you will be confused. If I give the option, definitely you are the shooter. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So I don't know how much the time is left over there. 7:27. That means here the Tanzania time is 7:27 and your time is 9:57. That means still we do have the 3 to 4 minutes in your hand. And if you want to ask any question, you can ask me.
Sir, kindly tell the tomorrow's time. This AIB exam time.
Yes, AIB exam time, because you go for the unfold ceremony, I believe. So is it good to take the India time 3 o'clock?
Okay, sir. Fine.
Okay,
Yeah, 3
sir.
o'clock, 3:10 to
Okay,
4
sir.
o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Because
sir.
3:10 to 4 o'clock,
It is
again I
fine, sir.
have my program tomorrow is there. I am conducting the program. I will post you just now, and you try to attend, and you can see how the people will speak, and you will become an expert also. Because a person who speaks well manner, with not loose words, with the appropriate words, I am sure that he will be a successful lawyer. Not only lawyer, in any field that he can deal it, because no platform can beat him if he is having a good knowledge, a little about the subject and little about the grammar also. Because when you know the grammar, at least you know that in which sentence that you are speaking, whether the appropriate tense that you are using or not, that also counts well. But automatically, without our knowledge, we can use it by following the grammar rules. But we don't know that these are the methods, but you have to follow it. But if you know the mechanism of the grammar, and if you do it, and I'm sure that no platform can beat you. Even to say, even you can speak for half an hour without having the knowledge in the subject because of your language power. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
See, a person who is well versed in one language and he tries to get the same perfection in the other language also. So each student should supposed to know at least 4 languages minimum. And one of them is the English language. And if you have the other foreign language like French, it's well and good. Spanish, well and good. German, well and good. But you cannot have all the 3, at least one. Better you learn the French because that is a very good language. Because whenever the moot court competitions are conducted in the African continent, it will be conducted in the 2 parallel lines. Number 1, Anglo means American, not American, British. Anglo-Franca and no, French-speaking court is there and English-speaking court is there. The 2 parallel sessions would be there. The moot court competition in the African continent will be conducted because some of the countries, they are purely the French-speaking countries, and the students will argue the cases in the French. So those who know the French and they will sit as judges in that court. But because I know only the English, that's why I sat in the English-speaking country, because I went from the University of Dar es Salaam as an escort to my students, including the Zanzibar students, to the South Africa, Johannesburg. I went over the University of Johannesburg, and there it is conducted over there. So on behalf of the students, my dean has escorted me to there, and I stayed there for the 10 days. And a very good program would be there. And they have seen the many places, especially Nelson Mandela House. Do you know who is Nelson Mandela? Participants,
Yes, sir.
do you know who is he?
Yes,
Like-
sir. Former president of South Africa.
Like Gandhiji is their father of the nation, and the same father of the nation is Nelson Mandela in the South Africa. And Marshal Tito House also there, adjacent to it, you have seen it. And where the bullets are fired, also you have seen it. So there are many places they have shown to us at the free of cost. So have a big vision to fly. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
With this, I would like to close. Tomorrow class is 3:10 to 4 o'clock. I will deal the administrative law questions, then company law that we will see any one of the Sunday. But tomorrow, again at the time of the same timings of the 6:30 or 6:30, I will start the 74th Republic Day function, and please try to attend it and get some of the knowledge over there, how the people will speak. With this, I would like to close my today's class. Thank you very much. Asante sana
Thank
na
you.
shukuru sana. Jai Hind.
Jai
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभाशिष मागे गाहे तव जय गाता जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Jai Hind.